we need to understand how SEO works. Okay, like what is a search engine? So first of all, what is a search engine means? It is nothing but a piece of software that uses some applications to collect the information about web pages. That means what exactly search engine will do means search engines will go and collect the information present in millions of sites. For example, if any new website is created in online, like abc.com is a newly started website which is created in internet. So if you want to know whether search engine is so if you want to know what exactly search engine will do means all search engines will be having its own robots. Google search engine robot name is Googlebot, and Yahoo search engine robot name is Slurp, and Bing search engine robot name is Bingbot. What does these robots will do means these robots duty is to go and collect the information present in millions of sites. If you are a website owner and if you created any website in online, your site will be automatically crawled by all these search engine robots. Crawling is nothing but going and touching the websites. That means all these search engine robots will go and touch your website. It will collect the information present in the website like content, images, videos, all the details will be collected by all these robots. What it will do after collecting? Crawling is nothing but going and touching the websites, going and touching the websites or collecting the informations. And next one is saving. What exactly it will do after crawling means all these search engine robots will go and collect the information present in the abc.com website. Then it will save the data, whatever the data it is collected like content, images, videos, everything will be saved in the database. Save the data in search engine database. What will happen after this means next step is indexing. Indexing is nothing but it will start showing in search results. It will show in search results. Okay, it will show in search results. Whenever a new website is created in internet, this will happen in the backend. This is all backend process, nothing to do from the front end from our end. We just need to understand before starting SEO what is a search engine, how search engine works, and what are the steps involved in doing SEO. So the basic principle, the basic process of collecting the information and going and touching the websites is nothing but crawling. After crawling the data, it will save in the database. And next one is it will show in search results. So whenever a new website is created in internet, this is the backend process: crawling, saving, indexing. Each and every search engine has its own robot. For example, Google has its Googlebot, and Yahoo will be having Slurp, that is a robot name. Bing robot name is Bingbot, like this. So this is the meaning of this. The next one is what is a crawler? Crawler is nothing but it is also one software. What does crawler will do? It will go and collect the information. Crawler or robot or spider, everything is same. The process of collecting information about web pages is performed by an agent called crawler. For Google it is Googlebot, for Yahoo it is Slurp, Bing it is Bingbot. Like this it will go and collect the information present in the websites. So the next one is, as already we have discussed, crawls the content, keywords, URLs. Entire website, URLs, content, images, videos, everything will be crawled by the search engine robots. Next one is stores the crawled data in database, and it will retrieve the information whenever a person search for a keyword. So for example, if you type in Google as web design company in Bangalore, what will happen in the backend means immediately Google will check in all the websites. Google will for example, you type web design company in Bangalore. What will happen in the backend means Google will check immediately in how many websites web design company in Bangalore keyword is matching. It will check in all the places and it will start showing the results. But which websites will come in the top positions means that depends upon the quality of the SEO you are doing. If you do SEO perfectly, your site will come in first page. But if you start any new website and if you expect to come in first page immediately, it is not possible. Okay, so that's the process. And next one is, this is the back end process, how search engine works and what is a search engine. Now the next one we'll discuss what is the final output we need to deliver to the client. What is the final output we need to deliver to the client? The final output is very simple. Just understand like this. If you join a company, they will give you one website. Okay. So if you join a company, they'll give you one website. So for example, this is your website. Assume that you joined in a digital marketing company. They given you one website like this. What exactly you have to do for this website? And what is the process of SEO? So this is a hospital in Bangalore. It is in Koramangala in Bangalore. What exactly they need means, they'll tell you only one thing: to get the keywords in first page. If somebody types laparoscopy surgery in Bangalore, laparoscopy clinic in Bangalore, best laparoscopy services in Bangalore, for all those keywords, this URL has to come in first page of Google within 2 to 3 months time, or within 1 month, within 6 months time. Like this, there are so many pages. If somebody types embryoscopy in Bangalore, best embryoscopy clinic in Bangalore, embryoscopy hospital in Bangalore, for all those keywords, this URL has to come in the first page of Google. So this is the requirement. If there are some 10 pages in your website, in your newly started website or newly given website, for each page, if they give you 5 keywords, okay, if there are 10 pages, for each page, if they give you 5 keywords, totally 50 keywords you need to bring in first page of Google within 3 months or 6 months time, based upon the keyword competition level, based upon the competitors you are having for your website. That is the requirement. So one more example I'll show you for our website. Like digitalguru.com is our website. What is our requirement? To get the keywords in first page of Google. If somebody types SEO training in Bangalore, PPC training in Bangalore, email marketing training in Bangalore, for all these keywords, we need to get our website in first page. Adobe Analytics training in Bangalore. So something like this. Or digital marketing training in BTM. Something like this. For this particular keyword, we have a dedicated page in our website. That page will appear in search engines. This is our website. Digitalguru.com is the first position it is coming. And next one, for example, something like this: digital marketing training in Hebbal. The first position and second position our website is coming for this particular keyword. Okay, we are targeting digital marketing courses in Hebbal, training in Hebbal, training institute in Hebbal. For all those keywords, this is the URL. We have one more URL related to Hebbal also, like this. So the final output I am showing you what exactly you need to deliver within 3 months. The final output which I am showing you, electronic city is the keyword. For this particular keyword, our website is coming in the first position. Okay, so by this you might have got some idea about this. This is a keyword training in Vijayanagar. Our website is coming in the first position. Like this, whatever the pages are there in your website, for all those pages there will be some targeted keywords. Within 3 months or within 6 months, you need to deliver final output to the client. The client may be from any part of the world. Whatever the website you take in internet, this is the requirement. Now, how to get this? How to get this in within 3 months? Client will not ask you what kind of optimization techniques you're using, what kind of content you're writing. They doesn't know anything at all. Your job is to get the output within 3 months. Okay. So now I'll just show you the final output, how it looks. We'll see the final output. How does the SEO report looks like? Every week you need to send the rank report. That means which keyword is coming in the which position. You need to send the rank report to the client. Okay? So for example, this is the rank report of our website. You can see the keywords, like which keywords are ranking in which position. This is the keyword, this is the rank. This is the keyword, this is the rank. One more report I'll show you. So if you know the final output, how does it looks like, then it will be easy to understand the further steps. Okay, so these are all the keywords for matratva.in for this website. Fertility treatment in Bangalore. This is the keyword. And rank report will be like this. Every week you need to send the rank report. Which keyword is ranking in which position? And what is the current ranking? The previous ranking, current ranking. Like this you need to mention. So client will not ask you anything, only they will ask you ranking. What is the position of the keyword? This week, what is the position? Last week, what is the position? Like this. They will not ask you what kind of content you have written, what kind of images you added, URL structures you maintain. Doesn't matter at all. Every week you need to do the SEO. You need to show the final output. This is the ranking. Looks like this. Okay. So now you got some idea. Now we'll start with the steps, how to implement this practically, and what are all the steps involved in this. So in SEO there are 5 major steps. The first one is auditing. The second one is keyword research, on-page optimization, off-page optimization, competitor backlinks. So only SEO will take around at least 13 to 15 hours to complete, 15 days to complete. So only these 5 steps you are going to learn. And we have some other tools also, so many tools also, like competitor backlink tools, Google Webmaster tools, that also we'll discuss. So we'll see the importance of these 5 steps. What is the importance of these 5 steps? How to start with this? Any website you get the same process you have to follow. So the first one is SEO audit. Auditing is nothing but finding the missing factors present in your newly started website. Whenever a new website is given to you,
Surendra ji, sorry to interrupting.
yeah,
Your voice is a bit. Can you speak a bit louder, please?
yeah, sure. So whenever a new website is given to you, you need to start with auditing, finding the missing factors in the website. This is nothing but auditing. So how to find the missing factors? So for example, I'll show you one website. We can do the auditing manually, or else we can do the auditing using some tools also. So as of now, just to understand what is meant by auditing means, whenever a new website is given to you, there won't be any proper title for your page. There won't be any proper URL structure. As of now, it is there, but assume that it is not there. There won't be any headings at all. Content will not be there. Even if you see here, this is a dummy text. This site is sample site actually, which I am going to give access to all of you to practice. So in this site, content is dummy. Just the heading is there, but it is a dummy text. And this is also dummy text. And we need to add so many things. The fully optimized website looks like our site. I'll just show you the site how it looks. Any page you take, for example, something like this. So this is one h1 tag. This is called as h1 tag. This is the URL structure. This is the title. This is the title. Okay, and this is the subheading. This is also a subheading. And then we need to add some internal links in our website. So whatever the keyword user is typing in Google search box, this is the keyword which we are trying to rank in search engines, and we got our website in first position also. So whatever the keyword user types in Google, this keyword should be optimized in your website in all the pages. You need to keep this keyword in the URL structure. You need to keep this keyword in the headings, content, internal linking, in all the places you need to keep. So for example, if you start in a restaurant, if you don't keep the board outside, if you don't have any food items in your restaurant, if you don't do any decoration in your restaurant, will anybody come to know? Nobody knows. So in the same way, if your site is created in online, but if it is not optimized, then how does Google know? Google doesn't understand, right? If somebody types digital marketing training in BTM, but this keyword itself is not there in your site, you are not maintaining the keyword in the title, URL, content, headings, then how does Google know? Google doesn't know. So you need to tell search engines clearly by optimizing the keyword in all the places perfectly. So initially all these things will be missing. Actually, you need to find what is missing in the site. There are some standard factors which you need to do auditing. So later we'll see how to do auditing. As of now, just understand, initially you need to check all these things present in your site or not, either using either manually or else using tools. So the detailed auditing later we'll see. We have 1 hour class for only auditing. So all these tags you need to check. Title tag is there or not, header tags are there or not, content is there or not. internal links are there or not, all these things you need to check. That comes under auditing. The next step is keyword research. So a new site is given to you, you have done auditing. After that, what you have to do means you need to do keyword research. So because in auditing, what we'll find where exactly keywords are missing. In auditing, we'll find where exactly keywords are missing. And after that, we need to insert the keywords. Once the keywords are missing, then we need to insert the keywords or not. To insert the keywords, we need some keywords. So here heading will not be there, URL structure will not be there, title will not be there, because developer will not do all these things. You need to implement. So in everywhere the keyword will not be there. We need to find some popular keywords related to our business. For every page we need to do keyword research. For every page we need to do research. So how to do research means we have a tool called Google Ads. So practically we'll see tomorrow, but just as of now I'll show you the interface, how it looks. We have a keyword research separate class for 1 hour, but as of now I'll just give you the overview. So keyword research we have to do using Google Ads tool only. That means to insert the keywords in our website, we need to do some research. We should not insert the keywords blindly, whatever we like. Whichever the keywords are searched by more number of people, those keywords we need to find. How to find means using keyword planner tool. And this is completely free of cost to do keyword research. Just need to go to the tools. So later we'll see the detailed process, how to come to the screen, how to do the keyword research, everything. As of now, just I'm showing you the keyword, like a keyword planner I'm opening. I'll just show you the interface, how it looks. So for every page in your website, you need to do research. So something like a digital marketing company in Bangalore. Okay. So whenever you type digital marketing company in Bangalore, you will be getting so many keywords. This keyword is searched by 5,400 people on an average per month from India. You can also add the city, whatever the city you want, whatever the country you want. You can add anything. If you add Bangalore, then you need to remove the India. Okay. So how to do the research and how to set up the account in the Google Ads tool later we'll see in the next class. As of now, just I'm showing the overview. How does the keyword planner looks like? So for every page we need to do research. We need to find some at least 5 to 6 keywords. In your website, whatever the pages are there, for example, digital marketing is one page, SEO is one page. For every page, 5 to 6 popular high search volume keywords you need to find. After finding, you need to insert those keywords in your website. So doing the research and finding the keywords is nothing but keyword research using the keyword planner tool. We have so many keyword research tools also, that also we'll discuss. We have Uber Suggest, SEM Rush, and we have keyword.io, Longtail Pro. So many tools are there, but Google Keyword Planner is the accurate tool, and 95% of the people are using Google. So that is the reason. Keyword research, you can initially start with the Google Keyword Planner, but I'll give you the overview about other paid tools also. And next one is on-page optimization. So after doing the research, after collecting the keywords for every page, if you have 10 pages in your website, for every page at least 5 to 6 keywords you need to find. If you have 10 pages in your website, you need to find at least 5 to 6 keywords for every page. After that, what you have to do, you need to insert those keywords in your website in all the places wherever it is required. You need to insert one keyword in the heading, you need to insert the keyword in the title, you need to insert the keyword from in the content. In all these places you need to insert. So how to insert the means, we need to connect with the backend. So for every website there will be a backend server. That also later we'll see. As of now, just I'm showing you the server, how it looks. That means if you want to do any changes in your website, it is not possible from the front end. You can open any website. This is the dummy site which we have created for practicing purpose, which I am going to give access to you. This is a 5 pages website. In this website, even if I want to put any full stop also, it is not possible from the front end. I can do editing only from the back end. Back end is nothing but cpanel. Digitalminax.in/cpanel. If I type, I'll get into the backend server. So in this website, there are only 5 pages: home page, about us page, digital marketing, SEO, contact us. In these 5 pages, I want to do some optimization, because on page optimization is nothing but doing the changes within the website. So initially we need to find missing factors, then we need to do the keyword research, find the keywords, insert the keywords. To insert the keywords only, we need to connect with the backend. Can I change this heading from the front end? It is not possible from the backend. So backend is nothing but /cpanel. If you type, you will get the login details. You need to ask your developer or client, they'll give you. But here I'll give you the site access for practice purpose. You can connect with the backend, you can do this. So whatever the pages you are seeing in the front end, home, about us, digital marketing, SEO, contact, we can see in the backend. Home is nothing but index page, digital marketing page, contact us page, about page, SEO page. So any page we can do editing and we can do the changes. Okay. So whatever the changes you want to do in the front end, it is not possible from the front end. We need to connect with the back end. So I'll just connect to the back end. I'll do the small changes to understand more about this. I'm clicking editing, click edit option, and I'm going to do some small changes. As of now, in the front end, in this page, the heading is digital marketing company in Bangalore. Now I'm going to change this Bangalore to Hyderabad. So just observe the process. So once you connect with the backend /cpanel file manager, and you will get all the files displayed here. You just need to edit the required file. This is the file which we need. Click edit option. The source code will come in edit mode, and whatever the heading you inserted there, that is nothing but h1 tag. The first heading is nothing but h1 tag. Search for h1. So later we'll discuss more about all these tags. As of now, just I am showing you the live overview, whether it is changing or not. Okay, so we changed the Bangalore to Hyderabad. So like this, whatever the changes you want to do, you want to add the images or delete the images, or you want to add some new content or delete the content, you want to change the URL structure, you want to change the title, you want to change the navigation, anything is not possible from the front end. By the using back end only we need to do. So first of all, why we have to do all these changes means, initially whenever a new site is given to you in your newly started website, in all the pages these things will be missing. We need to implement. So using these keywords only, we need to form all the tags: title tag, description tag, header tags, content optimization, everything we need to implement from the back end, not from the front end. So doing all these changes in the back end is nothing but on page optimization. On page optimization is nothing but doing the changes within the website. And next one is, if you do up to these steps, if you do these 3 steps, it doesn't mean that your site will come in first page. You should also do the off page optimization. Off page optimization is nothing but posting our website URLs in our sites. Okay. In simple terms, I told you like this. The actual definition, the meaning is building backlinks. So if I tell you backlink, you will not understand. Later we'll see that. As of now, just you can understand in a simple way. Posting our website URLs in other sites. That means simply if you do the changes within your website, that is not sufficient. We need to go and post our site URLs in other popular sites. Because initially, whenever a new site is given to you, your site popularity is zero. Your site authority is zero. So there are some Chrome extensions companies to decide whether your site is popular or not, to check whether your site is popular or not. So that also later we'll see. The popularity is measured from 0 to 100. 0 to 100. So initially it will be 0. Slowly the authority will be keep on increasing. So this is the Chrome extension Mosbar, which is created to know the popularity of any website. So later we'll discuss about this. As of now, just you understand in a simple way. Initially, whenever a new website is created in online and whenever a new site is given to you in your company, your site popularity will be 0. Authority will be 0. You need to go and post your website URLs in other highly popular sites. Highly popular sites means like there are so many articles, press releases. As of in the Excel sheet, I can show you. You can see these ones. We need to do the submissions in hundreds of sites: social bookmarking sites, directory submissions, profile creations, PDF submissions, article submissions. We need to go and post our website URLs in other popular sites. Why we have to post like this means to get the popularity of other sites to our site. That's a process. Okay. So how long we have to post means at least for 2 to 3 months. You need to do this process continuously. It may take around 6 months also for the highly competitive sites. If your company is having so much of competition, you need to do the submissions at least for 6 months. So posting our company website URLs in other sites, other popular sites, is nothing but off-page optimization. So how many submissions we have to do? Where we have to do submissions? Will they accept the submissions or not? These kind of questions you may be having. Everything will be discussing in off-page optimization clearly. The next one is competitor backlinks. Competitor backlinks means, so if you do the off-page optimization also, still your site will not come in first page. We need to implement one more advanced technique called competitor backlink analysis. So, for example, assume that this is a digital marketing company website. Just assume that this is a digital marketing company website, and your site will not be there in first page initially. Whenever a site is created in internet, your site will not be there initially in first page. So, if you type digital marketing company in Bangalore, something like this, you will get so many websites. You also want to rank your website in search engines for this particular keyword. So, if you observe here, your website will be there in the second page or third page or 10th page, like that. Initially your site will not be there in first page. Now if you see here, there are some company websites which are coming in the top positions: Digimark Agency, vistasindia.com, digitalvidya.com. So how these company websites are coming in the first page, in the top positions? They will also do the SEO. They also done on page optimization, off page optimization. That means within the website they have done so many changes. Okay, and outside the website also they have done some promotions. Within the website they inserted the keywords, they have written proper titles, headings, everything they have done. You can open any website, you can see their on-page optimization easily without paying anything. You can see their headings, you can see their content, you can see their links, footer links, interlinks, everything you can see. But what about their off page? They have done perfect on-page optimization. What about off page means, they have done submissions in thousands of sites. They posted this URL in thousands of popular sites to get in top positions like this. So where they posted their links, how will you know? If you call them and ask, will they tell you where they posted their links? They will not tell you. So we need to use some paid competitor backlink analysis tools to find the competitor backlinks. That means in which popular sites our competitor posted their links. So there are so many tools like ahrefs.com. This is the world's number one competitor backlink analysis tool, through which we can find in which websites they posted. You just need to enter your competitor site here in this tool. This tool also will discuss in the course, in the detailed dashboard, everything we'll see. So you just need to enter your competitor site, competitor website URL in the search box, and it will show you all the places where they promoted. Okay, like one more tool is there called SEMrush. All these tools paid access also we have. We'll be discussing these tools at the time of competitor backlinks. So SEMrush is also one of the popular tool to find where exactly our competitor promoted the links. This is the number one tool for the complete digital marketing professionals, like competitor research, auditing, position tracking, competitive intelligence, backlink auditing analysis, everything we can do in the SEMrush. Okay. The purpose is same, but there are different tools. So many tools are there. That is a process. So we need to understand how the competitor is promoting their links, where the competitor posted their links. In the same sites, we should also go and post our links. At least for 2 to 3 months, you need to do this competitor backlinks also. Then your site will come in first page. So these are the 5 steps you need to implement from the scratch for any newly started website. Whenever a new website is given to you, if you take anything, like to understand more about in a simple process, I'll give you one detailed example. Like you take any restaurant, for example, you started any restaurant in Bangalore. Okay, so initially what you have to do in your restaurant, you need to do auditing. Auditing is nothing but whether a restaurant board is there or not, furniture is there or not, interior designing is there or not. You need to check everything in your newly started restaurant. After that, what will you do? You need to do some market research. What kind of food products you need to sell? What kind of uh, products are selling by, what kind of food items are sold by other restaurants? You need to do some research and sell the demanding products, demanding the food items. If you sell unwanted items, nobody will come and purchase from your restaurant. So then what you have to do? After doing the research, you need to bring all those items in your shop. That is nothing but on page. On page means doing the changes within the website. Here also doing the changes within your own restaurant. And you need to go and promote your shop services or products in outside. That means you need to go and distribute some pamphlets in nearby areas. You need to go and distribute the pamphlets. Then only people will come to your shop, right? In the same way, for our website also, we need to post our links in high quality sites. And what you have to do after that, competitor backlinks. That means you need to understand how your competitor is promoting, what kind of techniques they are doing to promote their restaurants, what kind of activities they are doing, like trade shows, exhibitions, anything like TV ads, anything whatever they are doing, you need to follow that also. This is the detailed process. So today this is about the SEO project cycle only. If you understand this, then only we'll go to the next step. So in the next class, we'll discuss about keyword research practically for 1 hour, how to find the keywords using keyword planner tool, how to set up the account in Google Ads initially, and how to do the keyword research. So from next class onwards, I'll be giving you some assignments also. As of now, just understand these 5 steps clearly. So auditing we'll discuss at the end of the course, because initially if I say auditing, you will not understand. That means what you have to audit without knowing, you cannot do this. Without knowing what you have to audit, you cannot do this. At the end of the course, we'll see the auditing process using a tool called Screaming Frog SEO Spider. Okay, so we have a paid tool and we have some free tools also. Screaming Frog SEO Spider is a paid tool. Up to 500 URLs it is free, but practicing for practice purpose you can use this. Even if it is a 1 lakh page website or 10 lakhs page website also, you can do auditing. So Screaming Frog SEO Spider is the tool in which we can enter any website and we can see all the auditing issues. That means any page title issues are there, meta description issues, H1 header tags issues, canonical issues, like response code issues, anything, it will show you detailed process. You just need to enter your website, you need to click start, it will download the report and you can see the detailed issues present in your site. If you get a 1 lakh page website also, you can enter that website URL, it will show all the issues present in the site. After that, you need to do keyword research and you need to implement and fix all the issues. Okay, so auditing we'll discuss at the end of the course. Initially we'll start with the keyword research. Why we have to discuss auditing at the end of the course means, because in auditing you need to check so many factors. All these things you need to audit. Without knowing the meaning of all these factors, you cannot do auditing. So that is the reason. First we'll start with the keyword research. So I'll unmute all of you. You can just let me know what are the questions you have. So anybody have questions, you let me know.